Hi guys, I was just organizing my closet and I was like picking and choosing which clothes I'm going to keep and which clothes I'm going to give away. Yeah, so this is what you are seeing here.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me.
Look what I found, guys. Someone sent me a card. It was so cute. Oh, he wanted me to be his friends with benefits. This one was for my friend. Hope you can, if you see it, come and get it. This was from my first boyfriend. He gave it to me a long time ago and I kept it, guys. I kept it. Guys, this is me when I was young. I like to keep this. And I looked so cute, guys.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. But never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an intro for another video. I just did a lot of organization. Anyway guys, just wanted to thank you guys for all the support you keep showing me, all the likes, all the views. Thank you. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I hope you guys just love my content and get me there.
Over the phone, driving slow. I get my phone when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. The real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to hear.
I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you at Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on and all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossiping messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, drop it. Get more vulnerable than you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
For the real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to hear.
She's so lonely, but she tries to run away. She don't know me. Wish that I could make her stay. She's so lonely. Why she gotta go away? Girl, why won't you stay? She's so lovely. She's so lovely.
Of sex was this person comes and takes from you, treats you like this object, and she's with him for 5 years, treats you like an object, takes what they want from you, and then he was actually going and cheating on her as well.
Right.
So not only was he taking, he was then like hurting her, and that cycle just repeated. Her relationship.
I made caramel popcorns. Yeah, I zoomed in so that you can see it clearly. Hi guys, today I just wanted to organize my closet. Took me, I don't know how long. It took me forever to want to do this. I don't like organizing shit. I don't like it. But yeah, we are turning a new leaf.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you, baby, you don't care.
So guys, this is the closet. I did my best. I did my best. Hi guys, this is the end of the vlog. Stay tuned to watch the next vlog because I'm going to talk about my favorite movies and the books I'm currently reading. So you guys just stay tuned for that. And yeah, keep watching, subscribe. All the new subscribers, you're welcome, and the old ones, thank you for supporting me. I love you all. Thank you. Have a good evening.